What are the challenges?
Challenges will be that one of the main challenges that we would face is that our employee acquisition of the appropriate employees, because we are growing very fast. Last year we have grown by about 62%, and this kind of growth requires a large number of employees to be recruited, and to get trained manpower in rural India is a bit difficult. We have tied up with about 130 local rural institutes to train people, and since we will be recruiting more than 1,000 people, 1,000 employees this year, and going forward some next 5 years we require over about 10,000 employees. So this is going to be a huge challenge to get trained manpower local in rural India. It's going to be a huge challenge.
How do you look at the opportunities?
Opportunities, again, the 70% of the people live in rural India, and the present UPA government is focused on the rural development. The rural cash flow has been quite strong due to high commodity prices, a lot of infrastructure projects, and Narega kind of schemes. So there's a very, very strong rural cash flow coupled with a very huge network of Mahindra Finance, and we have over 1.5 million customer base. All these three give us a lot of encouragement and confidence that there are tremendous opportunities going forward in financial services area.
What is your strategy for overall growth?
We have now about 150 branches. Now we will be giving, so far we have been providing customers loans. Now very recently we started distributing insurance products. We have started a rural housing finance company, and like that we will be bringing in slowly a lot of products. Mutual fund is one area where we are looking at, in the sense that we are having a license to distribute mutual fund or mutual fund products of other mutual funds, and we will be looking at the rural market to distribute mutual fund products. So we will be slowly bringing many products for rural India.
How do you foresee your company 3 years from now?
We do not make forward-looking statement, but what I can only say that in the last 5 years, if you look at our compounded average growth, it's more than 30%. So we have been growing at over 30% in the past, and with the kind of rural focus of the central and state government and the huge rural infrastructure projects, we are very optimistic of our future growth.
What is the major difference between rural and urban business?
In urban India, the business can be done because there is a lot of credit papers are available, income tax papers. The customers will have a fixed income like a salary income, and they will be staying within a limited distance from the offices of the banks or finance companies. So reaching is not an issue. And many of them are technologically savvy, so it is easy to service them through technology or ATMs, etc. But rural India, the distance is huge, the technology is not spread that much, people do not have credit papers, and the assessment have to be done on a verbal way, and language is a big barrier. Urban India, many people can speak English. In rural India, people do not, you have to speak to the people in the local language. So these are some of the challenges, and these are some of the differences between urban and rural India. The transaction cost will be very high in rural India, and the ticket size is also very small in rural India.
Any other important point or highlight about your company you may like to share?
See, our company belongs to the Mahindra Group, and we follow one of the highest standards of corporate governance and ethics in running the financial services company. And so far, Reserve Bank of India have conducted many inspections of our company, and so far been no complaints in all grievances that we had to receive from Reserve Bank of India.
Thank you.
Thanks.